eBay seller about the material that they sent me. So I was kind of a bit surprised by what he actually said in the email. He said, "For what purpose do you wish to use the material?" And I'm thinking, what the hell? It's not for him. It's not for him or any seller or anyone else to ask me that question, right? It's almost suspicious, because it means that he's asking questions to see how far he can go to basically cheat on me or whatever, either to sell me something that's just adequate for my needs to save himself money, basically. And I was kind of surprised. I mean, I'll let you read the email anyway. Hang on, let me just pull it up. So I responded. I said, "Look, I'm an electronics engineer. It's for electromechanical, electromagnetic. I shouldn't even have to answer that question, because the point is, his item is not as advertised, right? He advertised it as being iron, Fe. Fe is the chemical name for products that are made out of iron. Right, let me just get this email up and show you what Right, so this is what he said to me, right? "Sorry, the item you received was not satisfactory. May I ask what kind of work the goods you received are used for?" Huh? Right, "Can you still complete your work normally? Question mark. What can I do for you?" Is the guy stupid or what? I made a YouTube video, I gave him the link, and I also explained to him it's useless to me. It's absolutely useless to me. I said that in the video. Now, I don't know if he is able to watch the video, but the point of the matter is, people who are selling things on eBay, they should specifically, they should be clear about what the description, what the material is that they're actually selling, instead of selling you something that's not what is advertised. So I'm really kind of disgusted with it, to be honest with you. It's just unacceptable. And then to ask me these stupid questions. I mean, yeah, I mean, look, it's supposed to be iron, right? It's not iron. It's frigging aluminium. And I've got the packet here. I showed you on the other video anyway, live stream. They're selling false goods. I've not even unwrapped it. There's no point. It's wrapped in cling film or something. It's got this label on it. So I'll probably have to send it back. I don't know. But it's useless to me. It's absolutely useless, because it doesn't do what I want it to do. I mean, it doesn't interact with magnetic fields whatsoever, because it doesn't interact with magnetic fields, let me say it properly, in the way I need it to do. Because iron has a completely different response curve and behaviour when it comes in contact with a magnetic field. This is either aluminium or it's stainless steel, and I don't think it's stainless steel, because even stainless steel has got a certain amount of magnetic properties to it, which this doesn't have any at all. So sorry I haven't put the light on, but there's my magnet, right? Doesn't, my lighter does, look, my lighter does. Get away. This doesn't. No, absolutely nothing at all. So it's useless. It's absolutely useless to me. So if he wants it back, he can damn well pay for the postage himself, because he sold me something that's not as described. He sold me something that's not described as described. and it's his mistake, not mine. Anyway, as regards the generator project, let me just turn it on. So this other little motor I've been using is much more efficient. I have been playing around with an LED array. I connected another LED array on here, so you can see that'll come on at around 5-6 volts or something. If we wait until it picks up speed, it's 443. It's just starting to come on now, look. So you can see the LED array coming on. It's only halfway, by the way. That's why it's got. Oh, it's got interesting strobing effect on my. It's interesting strobing effect on my camera. So this is it under here. So I've got that connected across here as the output of my coils, and I'm really frustrated right now because I was so looking forward to getting this project done, and oh, look at that weird strobing effect. That's pretty cool. I see it on my camera, but I can't see it in real life. So yeah, I've messaged him back, and I'm still waiting for a response. But because it's China, when it's daylight over here in the UK, it's probably middle of the night over there. So I'm probably gonna have to wait for a response tomorrow sometime. But oh my god, that strobing is really weird. Yeah. So anyway, we're at 1100 RPM. It's picking up speed. So yeah, I've got some extra LEDs connected to it right now. As I say, this other motor, this drive motor, which is down here, which is running everything. I replaced this motor with a different one. So this one's running at 9 volts, and it consumes about 120 milliamps or 110 milliamps, depending on what speed it's running at. Still picking up speed right now. We're only at 1100 RPM, 1176 RPM. It's still picking up. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. Right, so it is definitely more efficient, that little motor. This other one, it's more stable, I've noticed as well. I haven't put the one I repaired back in. This is the one I repaired. I haven't put that one back in yet. It's, to be honest with you, I think it's a bit draggy. The brushes that I made for it, well, I haven't got the right material to put in there right now. So, yeah, I'll just use that other one for now. I've got another motor I can put in anyway, so there's no point in putting something that's been repaired. It's less efficient. There's no point in putting that motor back in, because it's, as I say, this one I repaired. It's a little bit erratic, a little bit unstable. I want stability. I want something stable, so I'll just leave this one in. It's stable. It's just running at a different voltage, but that's all. It's not a significant difference really. So we're at 1200 RPM, 1220. Still picking up speed. See how bright that them LEDs are. They're pretty bright, and I can light up my my belt assembly now with it. Anyway, so I ain't got much else to talk about right now. So I have been thinking about getting back into the designs on the segments. I was looking at my other segment designs that I did, and it occurred to me I could make some improvements to it. Obviously I'll need to get some more filament if I start printing more of these out, because that's another, what, 18, another 18 of these segments if I start printing them out again. So the idea, the improvement I was thinking about, was to move these magnets that are in the middle, that are the generator magnets, to move those further out to the the perimeter. It's just my NiCad's charging up. So I was thinking about removing this magnet on this end and this other magnet on this end, so I can move these magnets further out, and then I get more output, you see. Improve the efficiency even more there. So I might have to redesign these slightly to make the room to move the magnets further out, and then print them all these segments. But yeah, I'm not going to do that yet. I'm just playing around with the coil assembly, and I want to do the I want to get excuse me, I want to get the right foil and to wrap around the coil. So I want to do all that lot first. I'm not going to start changing these yet, but I have been thinking about improving the design on these, and there's quite a bit I could do, but it's just more plastic and more expense, so I'm going to defer from doing that for the moment. I need some coffee. Where's my coffee gone? Oh, anyway, I'm going to go and chill and watch some videos. Runs nice and quiet, doesn't it? Look at that straw. Weird. It's obviously it's the harmonic between the frame rate of the camera and the frequency of the pulses on the LED, which creates the strobing line. That's what causes it, that effect. Anyway, I've waffled enough. We're at 1234. It doesn't go much above that speed with all the LEDs on there, but when I take the white LEDs, when I disconnect them, it does go up to 1300 RPM. So yeah, sorry, my hand's shaking now. I can't keep my hand still. Alright, so we'll see you later, and I'll keep you updated and let you know. But it's another delay, another 3 weeks probably, waiting for the right foil to arrive. I already messaged another eBay seller about this, because I basically said to him, can you verify that what you're selling is actually iron and Fe and not... I explained about the mishap, well, the incident with the other eBay seller. I said I'm not going to order anything unless you can verify that it's iron, because I'm not waiting 3 weeks only to get the wrong material again, because some of these eBay sellers don't even know what they're selling. They have no idea what they're selling. They're just incompetent, is the right word, I think. Useless. They just have no idea. What's happened to all these people that used to know what they were selling? I don't know. Anyway, that's it. I'll see you later.